Kieron, our first question is for yourself. So, are we stuck in a vicious cycle of engineers not designing parts for AM and then finding that manufacturing parts for the AM is too expensive? And what do you think needs to be done to give engineers more confidence to design for AM? A loaded question here.
That's a really interesting question, and I've heard it asked a lot as well. But I think the first misconception here is that that everybody that designs part for conventional processes also gets it right, and that they come up with the most cost-effective way of designing stuff. I mean, in the good old days when I worked in a drawing office that was near to the manufacturing facility, the way this problem was solved was that if you got the bit wrong, if you used a piece of tooling that didn't exist or cost more money or took longer to make, the guy in the machine shop came up and hit you with the part that he was making, and that's how you learn. You learn quite quickly to design concurrently and design for manufacture. And so you'd go and ask first, what tools have you got? If I want this in pocket radius, what bullnose tip radius is it going to have? And have you got that already in stock? And that's good old-fashioned design for manufacture. And for some reason, it seems to be believed that you don't need to have that same level of due diligence and design for manufacture for AM. You can just produce a part in CAD and send it to a printer and have it made. Those that really know that you need to design for AM in order to get the best out of it. And so the way that we need to solve this is by having capability within our additive manufacturing supply chain that can assist with the clients that are making that move from perhaps traditional manufacturing processes to additive processes. And we mustn't also forget additive isn't the solution for everything. It's the conventional machining processes and technologies are still very relevant and still solve lots of problems. And really, AM should only be used to solve a problem that those lower cost, more mature technologies can't. So, how are we going to solve the problem? More design for manufacture, more education, more collaboration within the supply chain, and don't just, trying to encourage our potential clients to recognise that before they can make a cost-effective additive manufacturing part, they need to think about how it's going to be made, and that's where they get the best out of it.